Good morning everybody, welcome to assembly. We're trying it outside, so there might be a bit of interference from the wind or even from the traffic of the A3. I want to talk to you today about self-discipline. We're going to need oodles of this over the next few weeks, and for any of you who listen to the government, they will be talking to you about some people not quite showing the self-discipline that we need in order to make this lockdown effective. Some people are sort of interpreting the rules slightly with a degree of laxity. So let's talk about self-discipline. I brought Zeffie out with me today to do this, and here we go. She's playing with the ball, so off she goes. This she can do all day. This is her thing. She's a gun dog. She's trained a bit, and I take her out to collect things. She is, of course, a Labrador Retriever. Now, let's see how well she does with her training. Finish, sit, and stay there. Get on. So you can see how Zeffie, you can see how much she loves it. You can see how much she enjoys catching the ball, and she'll chase and chase and chase all day, right? But when I need her to, sit, stay. Go on. So she can show the self-discipline that we need. And when she comes back, now she's done that a few times now, and somewhere in my pocket is, you can see her looking now, is a treat. Sit. And so because she's shown that self-discipline, she gets a little treat. Now I don't know what that might be at home, but if you can show the self-discipline to sit at your screen, behave how you should behave, and all those little things which make home a lovelier place to be, then I'm sure there'll be a little treat for you too. So thank you, and enjoy your day.